Today, let's talk about some raw materials for the production of clothes hangers. The most frequently seen raw materials in the coat hanger production line are four kinds: black iron wire, galvanized wire, stainless steel wire, PVC wire, and galvanized wire is divided into two kinds of hot and cold. Galvanized wire and black iron wire are Q195 materials. The biggest difference is the corrosion resistance is different. In addition, we can also make clothes hangers made of PVC wire. This is a custom hanger shape. We customize the shape of the hanger free of charge. Now in production is our stainless steel welded hanger machine. We'll talk more about that in a later video. Finally, if you want to buy a hanger machine but lack of raw materials, do not worry. Our company supplies all the raw materials related to the hanger to solve all your problems. Welcome to my consultation.